Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you all how I got this bomb and sleek hairstyle look. Listen, this is the sleekest of sleek hair. Like, you see the waves, you see the edges, girl. So for this video, guys, I partnered up with Better Lengths, and let me tell you, I love this company, guys. This is actually my second time working with them, and they're basically a hair company that specializes in textured hair for us Black women, which is awesome. So whatever hair type you may have, whether it's from 3A to 4C, they have your specific hair type and hair texture. So just make sure to check out the website down below. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description area, but I'm actually going to be filming two different hairstyles, guys. This is a high bun, as you all can see, and you'll see the second hairstyle further along the video. But this right here is a drawstring ponytail, but besides this, they have many different hair stuff, from their drawstring ponytail to bundles, clip-ins, so on and so forth. So make sure to check out their website. And with that being said, I'm gonna stop rambling now. And if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Say what's your price? Alright guys, so the first hairstyle that I'll be creating is going to be the top knot bun, and of course I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. And for this hairstyle, guys, I prefer to work with my hair in sections. You guys will thank me later, but I like to do my hair in sections because this is going to help to relieve a lot of that pressure and tension that you experience whenever you create these top knot buns, because you're going to be tugging and pulling at the hair a lot. So I find that sections is the best technique and the best way to go about it if you want to prevent hair breakage. Alright, so after splitting the hair into two, I'm just going to start off with the bottom section, and I'm just combing and detangling the hair to get rid of any knots and tangles. And for my first gel, I'm going to start off with the extreme, what is it called? The extreme wetline gel. And I'm just applying it all over that section, and taking my Denman brush, I'm going to brush and smooth the hair out. And next, I'm going to follow up with my Edge Booster Gel. And guys, this is actually my very first time working with this gel. And when I tell you, this is the best gel ever if you want to achieve a sleek hairstyle. You know what this gel reminds me of, guys? Remember growing up, that jam gel that you used to use? Just imagine that, but times 20. Like, when I tell you, this gel have my hair laid down. Like, look at that. I'm not even done yet, and it's slicked down already. This gel is the truth, and I would highly recommend this product if you want a nice and sleek finish. Alright, so that is pretty much all that I do. Now, I'm going to do the same thing to the top section, and I prefer to work with my hair while it's damp. So I have that spray bottle just to spray my hair whenever it starts to get a little dry. And that's it, y'all. So I'm just going to shut up and let you guys watch the video, and I'll come back.
Come on.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. All the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Lynx, Minx, Bentley, Azor with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it. Every continent love when I spit it. Corners the blocks, even the cops feel it. Brothers on lockdown on they cop feel it. It's real in the field, the last Mohican who survived in the streets and did something decent. Now I got plans to buy the whole hood legit now. I ain't got a lot of no judge. I make hits now, money I flip now. Hood fella, every honey wanna kiss now. I lit up my neck, pinky and wrist now. So girls everywhere, this how we get down.
Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my ice. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it.
Hi, I'm back. So as y'all can see, I got the bun all situated with the baby hairs and everything. And now it's finally time for us to whip out our ponytail. And I picked this one up from Better Lengths. This is in their Kinky curly texture in 18 inches, I believe. I'm going to leave all the information down below. And for any of you guys who never worked with a drawstring ponytail, it comes with a comb, 2 combs actually, one at the top, one at the bottom, where you could attach the ponytail onto your hair along with the drawstring. So I'm just gonna attach the top and bottom clip onto my bun and use that drawstring to pull and tighten the ponytail around my bun. You'll feel the ponytail tighten around your hair as you continue to pull and tighten the drawstring. And I'm gonna wrap that string around my bun. And I also attached a bobby pin to the drawstring. So after it's totally wrapped around my hair, I'm just gonna pin it down. And by the way, I did nothing to the ponytail prior. All I did was literally just wet the hair to loosen the curls a little bit, and that was pretty much it. So I applied no product, I did not wash it or anything. And next, to create the actual bun, I just split the hair in 2, and working with the first section, I'm gonna twist the hair and just wrap it around. And once I got that fully wrapped around, I'm just gonna pin it down, of course, with some bobby pins, and do the same thing with the second section. And keep in mind, guys, that as I'm wrapping the hair around, I'm twisting the hair as well. Ooh wee, so we are pretty much done, guys. Look at that. Ooh, it's looking so nice. Now, just to hold the hair in place, I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued freeze blast spray and just spray it all over the bun to keep it in place. And this part is optional, but I want to mold my hair a little further, so I'm just taking this headscarf and I'm gonna wrap it around my hair. And I only let it sit for about 15 minutes or so. So after the 15 minutes is up, I just took the headscarf off, and this is it, guys. This is how it turned out. Super sleek, super cute. I love this hairstyle, guys, and I love this drawstring ponytail. It's like so convenient, and you could also achieve some of the cutest hair looks with this ponytail, especially when you're on the go and you're in a rush. You just pop that ponytail on and baby, you are good to go. So that was hairstyle number 1, the top knot bun. And moving on to hairstyle number 2, I'm gonna do a sleek side part ponytail. So I'm just gonna start off by wetting the hair. This is gonna help to loosen up my hair because it is feeling really hard and it's set in place right now. And I also want to reactivate that gel. And I'm just gonna continue to gently detangle the hair and just take my time with it, guys. And remember, it's wise that you work in sections. If you have thick hair like mine and you don't want to rip your hair out, work in sections. And if you have to go back in with that water to reactivate the gel and loosen the curls, just continue to do so until your curls are loose enough. And to smooth the hair out, I'm just gonna follow up with my dumbing brush. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do, guys, for this first section. And I also touched up on some of the parts where I needed it with my Edge Booster Gel. So now that I'm done with the first section, I'm just gonna put it away for now in a ponytail and do the same thing that I did on the top section. Now, like I said, just take your time with it, guys. Although you're probably gonna start off on freshly washed hair and you're not gonna have a whole bunch of product in your hair like me, I will still advise that you just take your time, guys, and work in sections. A, so that you can prevent getting breakage, And B, you'll also get a neater and more sleek finish when you just work in sections, take your time to gently detangle and smooth out the hair. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. And once I got that top section detangled, I'm gonna finally create my side part and just continue to smooth out my hair with the Demon brush and get that sleek ponytail finish that I desire. So listen, this is a process, guys. Like, if you want that nice finish, you got to continue to detangle, brush out the hair multiple times until you get that nice sleek finish. So that's what I'm doing right now, guys. And I'm also going to get my baby hairs in order. So just continue to watch me lay down this ponytail and I'll come back. Alright guys, so now that I finally got my hair situated, it is time to pull out the ponytail once again, and we're pretty much gonna do the same exact thing, guys. I'm gonna use the 2 combs to secure the ponytail onto my bun, and taking that drawstring ponytail, remember we're gonna attach the bobby pin, and as we pull and tighten the drawstring, we're gonna wrap that string around and secure it onto the bun. Now this part is optional, but I also like to take a extra piece of hair and just wrap it around the ponytail. For me personally, this gives it more of a natural look. That's just my personal opinion, but yeah, I like to do this extra step. Alright, so that is pretty much it, guys, for the hairstyle. But once again, I'm gonna take out my headscarf and tie around my hair just so that we could better mold the hair. And I'm just gonna let it sit again for about 15 minutes or so. And while that headscarf is molding my hair, I'm just taking my comb to tease the ponytail a little bit because I want the hair to be a little bit more voluminous. So we're just doing that to give it more volume. And once that 15 minutes is up, we're gonna take the headscarf off. And this is the finished look, guys. Tell me this ain't sleek. Tell me that is not sleek. Ayy, yes, yes. This is so cute. I would say this is the most sleek of the sleekiest ponytails that I have ever done. And excuse me for using the word sleek a million times in this video, but girl, we got it slick down. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and tell me in the comment section down below which hairstyle you prefer, hairstyle number 1 or hairstyle number 2. Alright guys, so that was all for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a big thumbs up, and I also want to thank Better Lengths for sponsoring this video. I always enjoy working with them, and I live for these drawstring ponytails. Like, they are a lifesaver. They're just so quick to just pop them in, do a quick cute hairstyle, and you are out the door. So thank you again to Better Lengths. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.